shout out to Zule for sending me this simple stainless steel garlic press. So if you want an easier way to dice up your garlic and make it more like a minced garlic, this is a nice little kit. Now is this a little cover for it? What do we use this for? Oh, this is a garlic peeler. Okay, so you put your unpeeled garlic inside, and then we just roll it, and it has all those little attachments, and that should help de-shed that garlic. I usually just push down on it and pop it out, but that looks like it's going to be a lot easier. So really cool extra little bonus. You also have this little cleaner, which can be used for inside to get those tight little areas. Now, for the garlic press, boom, take a look at this. Handles. That is a silicone grip on the inside with the Zule symbol. Really nice, simple design there. You can see that's really going to crush your garlic. I also like that it's wide open in there, so that'll make it a little easier to clean. When you have your garlic in there, you could probably fit at least 2 or 3. Press down, that's going to squeeze your garlic out on the other end, where you can see those little holes, and you can see it lines up perfectly, so all that garlic gets through there, and all you have left is a little bit of a shell. So from Zule, I love this garlic press. Can't wait to try it out.